Parang hindi high school player ang batang to. Iniwanan lang ang depensa ng DLSU sabay layup sa 6'7" na si Luis Pablo. Hindi nagpabata ang mga batang gilas kahit mga college player na ang kalaban. Binigyan ng mga batang gilas natin ang defending champion ng UAAP ng isang magandang laban. So PhilOil Preseason Cup, Siaba Cup 2026 gold medalist versus the defending champion of UAAP na De La Salle Green Archers. So eto nga, panoorin natin ang mga highlights ng laban.
Bungo gives it inside to Pablo. 30 seconds to go in the first quarter. Tovera loses his man. Layup is up and in.
Little behind the back dribble. 2-foot finish. Again.
Here's Choc Moral. Choc Moral losing his defender. Goes up. Kicks it out. Pasinos for three. Yes, sir.
Good.
No good. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Shot is up and in for Bumbano. Here's Cortez. Gets it to the corner. Triple on the way. No. Good for Goliena. Espinas didn't go after that ball. Makalalag will get the three. Moral. Get it inside. Pasino. Amos. They swing it around. Cortez na libre sa kanto. Yes, sir. Back to Tovera for three. Yes, sir. Ahead to Abadam. Nice move by Abadam. Using the fake step to entry pass to Makalalag. Kick out. Cortez libre sa tres. Balik sa loob to Daep.
Full display.
Already with 7 assists is Jacob Cortez. Dito naman sa kabila. 3-pointer goes in. Posting up against Espinas. He'll get it inside to Pablo. Undergoal stab.
Couple of good looks for Gilas, just couldn't make it.
Lebron Daep. Razon. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Cortez in front of him. Razon, the bump, the shot goes in.
Dito kay Razon, challenging the defense of Jacob Cortez.
On the other end, that's the way. No. Itong opensa ng Gilas, medyo naaantala na. It's been
Effort.
Meanwhile, here's Cortez attacking all the way to the basket.
Jacob Cortez.
Sigan guarding Moral. Sardon for three. Yes, sir! Ito na yung sinasabi mo. Dungo on the attack. Loses the ball on the way up. Cybol responds. 56-56. We'll be back for the first on Coach Topex Robinson for unsportsmanlike behavior. And the shot is off. At nauna si Dungo.
Yeah.
Nagmamadali si Dungo. The Pinoy step to the reverse layup. Hinahabol nila. Tovera gets a screen from Espinas. Nice pass inside. 5 seconds on their shot clock. Amos inside. Floater is up in it.
Good slip on the part.
Defensive Cybol. Pasinos. We've got 7 seconds on the clock. Pasinos shifty move. Gets the
Need to be aggressive.
Daep. Pass back to Gol. anticipated and now reciprocated.